greetings to all of you watching today's video. My name is Avikant and you are watching Only Aviation Avikant. So today in this video I will be talking about the fuel jettison procedure performed in wide body commercial airliners, not in fighter jets and not in narrow body airliners, because you only have this procedure in wide bodies like the 777, like the 787, the 380, the 747. But for this example we will be taking the 747. So see this video. Pilots dumping this much of costly fuel. Have they miscalculated the fuel from point A to point B? No, it's not like that. It can be, but not much. Okay. So there might be a part 2 of this video also, that where do pilot dump fuel, but I don't think I will make that because that's not a very big important topic. We'll concentrate here, why do pilots dump fuel? So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So for this example, we will be taking a Boeing 747 belonging to Lufthansa flying from Munich to Los Angeles on a Boeing 747-8. So first we'll understand the current weight of the aircraft, also known as the dry operating weight. Now dry operating weight means it will load up by adding the passengers and the cargo. By adding the passengers and the cargo. Then comes the zero fuel weight. In the zero fuel weight, you have the fuel truck which will come and attach and then start filling the fuel. Now fuel aisa hota hai, it is contingency fuel, trip fuel, taxi fuel, etc. There are many, okay, etc. Then if you calculate all these parameters, you will get your today's takeoff weight. Now as I told, more concentrating on landing, not on takeoff, but to understand landing first we need to understand takeoff weight. So the maximum landing weight of a Boeing 747 is 312,000 kgs. Now any landing which is above the maximum landing weight of an aircraft can cause many damages to the aircraft, and it can reduce the stopping performance of an aircraft. So any overweight landing will be like this. That's pretty hard. Okay, so now let's, I will give you a nice example. Okay, so see, this is a water bottle, and this water bottle mein we have the maximum load of the aircraft, the landing weight, everything. Okay, now if you drop the water bottle from the top of a very big height, this will happen. Suppose you are flying, you took off from Munich and you are now over the Atlantic. Now Atlantic mein pahunchte, your senior flight attendant comes and tells that a passenger in the plane has severe health and he needs consultation of a doctor. Without consulting a doctor, he might not survive. So what will you do? You will obviously go to the nearest airport. So the nearest airport here is Dublin. Now aircraft में fuel भरा है Munich to Los Angeles जाने का, ना कि Munich to Dublin जाने का. तो अभी म्यूनिक टू लॉस एंजलिस के लिए था डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट, तो कितना फ्यूल भरा होगा? ओके, बहुत फ्यूल भरा होगा. So obviously you will not burn all that fuel from Atlantic, which is where place you got the news, to Dublin. So what will you do? Now here comes the fuel jettison procedure. The fuel jettison procedure is a procedure in which the pilot opens the valves. The pilot will open the valves and the fuel sprays out. अभी देखो, this is so simple कि भाई valve खोला, fuel निकलने लग गया, खत्म, valve बंद हो गया. It's not like that. How much fuel to use? How much time you need for the fuel to come out? तो वो सब कैलकुलेशंस करना होता है. ओके, तो आई वॉज जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो आपको फ्यूल जेटरसन प्रोसीजर यूज़ करना पड़ता है. बट नाउ द मेन थिंग कम, हाउ मच फ्यूल टू लूज, हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक फॉर द फ्यूल टू लूज. सो लेट्स डिस्कस हाउ मच fuel to lose first. Okay, like how much fuel to lose. The dumping rate of the Boeing 747 is 2.2 tons per minute. Sorry, 2.2 tons per minute. So the current weight of the aircraft is 389,000 kgs, and the maximum landing weight is 312,000 kgs. So that will make 77,000. Okay, is it correct? Yeah, 77,000. So 77,000 kgs is the weight to lose. Now आपका weight to lose आपको पता चल चुका है. Now the next thing is how much time will it take to lose. Weight पता चल गया, ठीक है. हमको 77,000 kgs फ्यूल निकालना है to reach Dublin. अभी आपको फ्यूल निकालने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज अटलांटिक से in the place you stop to Dublin is a 45-minute journey. अगर आपका फ्यूल डंपिंग में 50 मिनट निकल गया, then you cannot land. You have to perform an overweight landing. And that's a whole other video out there, how to perform overweight landing. Here we will, jettison procedure पे ज़्यादा we will concentrate. So now how much time it will take to lose the fuel. The 747 burns 12 tons per hour. Okay, so 12 tons per hour क्या करता है? So 12 tons is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to how many tons? Again divide it. Cut. It will give you 0.2 tons. Okay. So the answer will be 0.2 tons. Now you will add that with the dumping rate of the aircraft, which is 2 it is 2 tons. So if you add those both, you will get 2.2 tons. Okay, so the now answer is 2.2 tons. Now 77 divided by 2.2 tons. Now 77,000 so 77 is the weight to lose and 2.2 tons is the dumping rate. So that will give you an answer. 77 divided by 2.2, 35 minutes. So the answer is 35 minutes. Now 35 minutes आपके पास time है for doing the fuel dumping procedure. Okay, so देखो fuel dumping procedure आपका हो गया, and now you will go ahead and land the aircraft. But अगर ये same situation, same scenario, you get it in a narrow body airliner. Narrow body means the one which you fly every day, जो like 320s, the 737, ATR 72s and all those things. उसमें क्या करोगे? Nothing. If it's an urgent case, you will do a overweight landing. Now that's a whole other video to it. I will. If you want me to do that video, please comment down below. Okay, please comment down below. And yeah, you may perform a overweight landing. But if it's again related to health of someone, yeah, health के साथ तो you will do overweight landing. But if it's not necessary, like अगर health में कुछ problem है नहीं, it is just like pilots have miscalculated it. बहुत cases हुए pilots have miscalculated it, overweight हो जाता है aircraft, or somewhere you diverted the plane because of bad weather. Okay, कुछ ऐसा. So what will you do? You will do holding points. Holding points means you will be flying over the runway, just like this, the image on your screen. Just like this, you will fly proper holding points on the runways, and once the plane's maximum weight is below, the plane's landing weight is below the maximum landing weight, you will come and land the aircraft. So yeah, narrow body में it becomes a long procedure, and so that's the problem with narrow bodies. But see, इतना कुछ होता नहीं है, because narrow bodies इतना कुछ होता नहीं है, but wide bodies में it is necessary, because wide body airplanes fly more than 16, 17 hours direct, like Air India, Bangalore to San Francisco. It's a 17-hour long flight, so they fly very loud. And see, if a big aircraft, if a wide body aircraft does a overweight landing, it can cause many damages, like बहुत damages हो सकते हैं, internal damages. Like अगर मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही हाइट से कूदता हूँ तो अंदर एक सेंसेशन सा होता है कि कुछ हिला है, बहुत सेंसेशन सा होता है ना. इवन आई एम हेफ्टी, तो मुझे तो होएगा ही. सो द एयरक्राफ्ट इज़ वेरी हैवी. सेम विथ मी. सो अगर एयरक्राफ्ट गिरा तो सोचो उसको कितना डैमेज हो जाएगा. तो ऑब्वियसली even overweight landings can cause hull loss of an aircraft, so that's very bad. अगर ये आप now you may think भाई मिलियंस भाई 600-700 एयरक्राफ्ट में से अगर एक एयरक्राफ्ट गया तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा। वो ऊपर मेरा प्लेन दिख रहा है ना आपको, वैसे मतलब 5 सेट, एक पूरा सेट है, उस सेट में से मेरे 2 प्लेन्स गुम चुके हैं एंड उस सेट में से आई एम फीलिंग वेरी बैड दैट 2 planes are gone. Now same, these planes, they costed somewhere around 500-600 rupees. Now see, same with $1 million airplane, what will you do? You will obviously feel not good, okay? So that's why overweight landings are not good, and you need all those jettison procedure on a wide body, because अगर रिपेयर भी करा रहे हो, it will cost a lot of amount for doing the repair if you compare it with a narrow body. So it is a necessity in all wide body airliners. And if you talk about pollution, it can cause a lot of pollution. Now I cannot talk about that pollution के बारे में क्या क्या होएगा, because obviously pollution तो होना ही होना है, because कोई भी combustion होता है तो CO2 तो कैसे भी निकलेगा है ना, combustion तो होता ही होना है. And now whenever you are doing this fuel jettison procedure, keep in mind that always contact the ATC. So ATC contact करना, it's mandatory, because you're not a single aircraft flying, you know, there's an aircraft 1000 feet above you, 1000 feet below you, 3000 feet to the right, 3000 feet to the left. So there are many aircrafts around you. So what will you do? You obviously have to contact the ATC, because the ATC will notify the other aircraft to move away from the aircraft जहाँ से आप फ्यूल जेटिसन कर रहे हो, because fuel निकल रहा है, fuel is fuel, you know, that's why. So now you have safely landed your overweight airplane, no, not overweight, you have safely done the jettison procedure and landed at Dublin, and now the passenger is safe. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked it, and time to wrap up. Hope you like this video, and do give this video a like, and do share this video, and do subscribe to my channel. I have reached 73 subscribers. I want it to be 100. Please do it, guys. Please do it. Please do it. I am waiting when I will get 100 subscribers. Please do it. So thank you for watching this video. Do visit my friend's channel, link in the description. I'll see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, टाटा, see you, नमस्कार. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में.